Hey guys, it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So bear with me, I am fighting a cold right now, but I didn't want to miss the opportunity to bring you guys my 10 favorite farmhouse fonts. So let me take you over to the computer and I will share with you the 10 favorite fonts that I use for farmhouse style, whether it's for vinyl, you can use it for digital design. There's all kinds of great things that you can do with these fonts. And then I will also at the end link down in the description box below the free downloads where you can go and add these to your own computer as well. So let's get started. Alright, so I am now in my Silhouette Studio program. However, you can use these fonts in Word, in your Cricut machine, in Photoshop. There's all kinds of different programs you can install these fonts onto your computer and then use them in. And I actually have a tutorial that shows you how to download and then install these fonts onto your computer so you can use them throughout those different programs. I will link that video in the description box below as well as up here in the iCards. So check that out after you're done watching this video. So let me show you what my 10 favorite farmhouse fonts are. Obviously you don't have to use these in farmhouse style, you can use these for anything, but farmhouse style is kind of my niche, and so these are the ones that I use quite often. And the first one is Magnolia Sky. I love how flowy this one is. This Aiden script is actually my personal favorite at the moment. It is just dainty and pretty, and so I end up using that a lot with this Courier New. And Courier New is actually a font that's already on your computer. So I'll throw in a picture here so you can see how these two kind of play together in a wood sign that I created recently. So this one here you actually don't have to install at all, it's already there for you. CENTI is another great font. The Skinny is what you'll see a lot on my channel. It is very close to the Ray Dunn style font, and it is the CENTI is kind of a play on this. So it's just a little bit different. It's nice to mix block fonts with script fonts when you are designing. So this is just kind of another option besides the Skinny when I'm designing that I like to use. This Wisdom script font is one that I've had a lot of people ask me, will send me pictures and say, do you know what this font is? And a lot of times it's this Wisdom script, and it's actually in my logo. DEMING is a new one for me, but I love how block it is. And this Hang-In Caps is also a new one for me, but I started using it a lot lately, and I am absolutely loving this font. It works really well with scripty fonts like this Bromello. Bromello is one of my old favorites, and this was actually my old logo. So this is one of my personal favorites, and I still use it quite often. And then last but not least is this Smoothie Shop. So it's kind of a fun, bubbly type script font. So here's a look at all of my 10 favorite fonts that I like to use that have that nice farmhouse look. I will link all of those down in the description box below, so you can go down there and download to use these for your own personal use. If you guys have any questions for me, leave those in the comments below. So like I said, I will link down in the description box below where you can go to download some of these fonts and use them yourself in your own designing. Make sure that you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button as well, and follow me. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also follow me on social media. Find me over on Facebook and on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.